know the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen? With ongoing all the chaos of all the political bizarre and red carpet news, sadly, the heart-cleansing devastation of the Amazon rainforest couldn't make it to the front page of any main media channel in India till today. According to a recent online survey run by us, 54% people had come across someone who were not aware of the situation until today, especially who are not active with the social media. This art blog is dedicated to the lack of awareness and aims to reach at least one person who had no idea about the devastation both directly or indirectly. Don't forget to enjoy the video, and also if you get to know anything new through this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. We are human beings and we must care. On a global level, we are dealing with huge crisis right now. Large swaths of the Amazon rainforest has been burning and still running in an insane rate. Data released by the National Institute for Space Research claimed that the satellite data showed an increase of 84% in the forest fire in 2019 as compared to the data for same period in 2018. This has been the worst fire in the existence of mankind ever, and the world has just woken up to it few days back through social media. According to our research, it's disheartening that people care more about politics, money, and personal gain, and the big media entities seems to be infected by this that we haven't seen close coverage on this disaster happening in the Amazon rainforest. The fires are so big that plumes of smoke can be seen from space. Amazon is the largest rainforest in the world. It is home to 1 million indigenous people and has 3 million species of animals and plants. It absorbs billions of tons of carbon dioxide every year, which helps slow the pace of global heating. Fires in the Amazon have been linked to deforestation, which has surged in recent months. Scientists say the ongoing destruction of the Amazon will have dire consequences, first for Brazil and then for the world. The severity of the situation has prompted the state of Amazon to declare an emergency. We can no longer call it a problem of Brazil, it's a problem of the world. In fact, within India, there had been huge climatic changes that have taken place in the past couple of years. Kerala, Orissa were major calamities that have happened, and this all owing to the climatic changes that we are actually living through at this point of time. And the Amazon forest fire is speeding up the rate of global warming. The Amazon is burning, the Arctic is on fire, Maldives is sinking, coral reefs are dying, marine life is choking on plastic, Antarctica is melting, CO2 levels are rising, we are dangerously close to the tipping point, or should I say, we are at the tipping point. I think this is the major time when we can make a change about it and do something. Instead of hashtag pray for Amazon, let's hashtag act on Amazon.